Good morning. So guys, I've already got up today and started working, but I wanted to give you an idea of what this area looked like because it was getting so late yesterday. The sun is out and it's a perfect day for me to try to continue working on this area. The goal is to be completed by the end of the night. So tomorrow I can rest for work Monday. And yeah, I need a few more bricks. I did go pick up my bricks. I had no problems getting it. So I need to get a few more just to go around the border of this here thing. This is an 8 by 10, and I did measure for 6 by 8. So if I would have stuck with 6 by 8, I would have been like in perfect diameter with my pavers, but that's okay. I see I did need the extra space anyway, but imagine this here going all the way down to the end, as close probably to the fence. That's the goal anyway. We'll see when that time comes, but right now I'm liking it. And my trellises, I'm going to use them to go over this area. I have two, and I'm going to actually put some type of shade cloth, that's the goal, over them, or I'm going to buy me maybe 2 cattle panels to go over it. We'll see how that goes when that time comes. So anyway, let's get back over here to where I'm building. Right now, I'm building the the third table. And it's going to be, of course, as you can see, a lot narrower for more of my smaller pots. And these are my sides. So I'm almost done with it. I just took a quick break so I can do this here video. And we're going to see how that goes. And hey, I still got more wood. I haven't decided on what I'm gonna do with it yet. I still have a long area to go, so I still have more what you call it, stands that I can create if necessary. And right now I'm still debating if I'm gonna create a stand for my stock tanks, or will I use the cedar blocks just to sit them on. So again, it's a lot of decisions. The cheapest way, well, the easiest way is getting the cedar blocks, because I don't have to keep screwing and having a whole lot of things to move. But because this area will be long, I will be able to possibly make more tote stands, because again, I'm going to change a whole lot of things. My trough down there, I'm still going to use that, but that is going to be like way late. You know, that's a 300 plus trough that was gifted to me, and it's very, very durable. So I just haven't decided how I'm going to utilize that, if I'm going to still plant in it, or if I'm going to use it for something totally different. We'll see again when that time comes. I still have a good grow bag right there. I don't know if I'm gonna still use it or not. I got the 4x4 grow bags. I still have my pools. So I still have a lot of things that I can utilize for gardening. It just depends on what I want to do with it. So, you know, I know this space seems like it's really big. It's really not that big. Um, it's but it's usable space, you know. And again, right now I do still have stuff on my porch, but I'm not using all those pots. Will be going on the stands, so I will be planting more things in those pots as well. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll show you the after product. So, and I still have my beds right here, the ones I made. These are the originals, and of course I'm gonna probably move them on this side too. But again, because I'm working in phases, they're going to stay there for right now. And I may or may not move the greenhouse back. So I can maybe use this area here for like entertainment. Again, you know, to put my actual patio table, possible, maybe. Um, we'll see how that go. And maybe my fire pit, who knows. We're gonna see if it look like it's not gonna be safe. I don't want it too close to the house because I know you're not supposed to have it too close. So we'll see how that go. And yeah, but it is coming along. Tomorrow I will do another update on the visual because I am going to start putting some things in those containers. Right now I have onions in every one of them, in exception of the ones that have collard greens because they already had something in them and I didn't bother them. But what I can plant with onions, I will be putting in in there with the onions. So see you tomorrow. All right, y'all, this is day 2, 3-ish. Let's see where we at. Don't mind these. These are just, I just had to stack them up. Right now, I made a sifter so I can sift that soil. This soil I'm gonna put in these totes. So this is the container holder I made for the totes. And then this is the more narrow one I did for the containers. And then I have this one. And right now, I refuse to fill these up. I know that's kind of close, sorry for the video. Because once I put soil in it, it's gonna be hard to move it. So I know I'm gonna have to fill it up soon, eventually, because I gotta get ready to start planting some things. And right now, I actually need to water some stuff, but I'm sorry. It may be a bad suggestion, but I gotta do it tomorrow. And I gotta pull these collars out. It's time they're starting to go to flower. It's time, and put the new ones out. These lights are just like these lights. They like curtain lights. And I need to see what I gotta adjust. So I'm really waiting for the sun to go down to kind of give me an idea of what I'm gonna do. We put a light right here on top of my water tote. We changed the batteries in this one that we had never did to see if that's why that one wasn't coming on. Kind of start raking up back here. So it's coming along. It's just a slow process. I've been out here all day, and most of the day consisted of making this stand. And I can tell you, none of it is like perfect, but it's durable and it's gonna do what I needed to do for right now. These here, I just stacked these up right now because we're putting everything up, and I'm sifting dirt. So I have this one, the smaller one over here on the floor for right now, and there's the big one right here as you come in. Again, I'm not putting anything in it yet because my first goal is to sift this out, clear this side out, and then start on this 6x4. Well, not 6x4, I'm gonna say 6x10 area. So I'm gonna do one side of that bed at a time. I'm gonna break it down one side at a time and go from there, because I'm not keeping any soil in that one at all. But I need to, them bricks is heavy, y'all. So I gotta like do it in phases. But it's giving me a heads up, me a jump to where I can at least start gardening for the spring. And I know, of course, I'll have a few things lay over because my next goal, this area right here where that I'm shifting the soil out, that area is where I'm gonna have more containers, of course. So I do need to build some more not necessarily container tables. I may or may not, but bucket holders. That's what the next one I'm gonna do, is a bucket holder to hold the 5-gallon buckets, because I do need to do get prepared, like to do my okra, and that's what I want to do, my okra in the 5-gallon buckets. I wanted to do potatoes. I still have time, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I still have my pools back there, and if they're in good condition, I may or may not keep them. Whatever I can salvage, I will keep. What I can't, I'm just going to throw it away, because I really don't want to I don't want to have more than I need, but I don't want to throw away things that I can use. So we'll see how it goes.